Hello everyone. Today I am here to explain my OGT project, which is Origin. So I deployed this website. Let us go check it. So this is the link. Yeah, this is the repository. Let me just sign it. Okay. So this is the repository where I've been pushing my code. Um, Let us move straight to the website. So yeah. So this is the basic login page of the entry point, the gateway you can see of my project. You can just enter your email and password here and register. So let me just put the details of admin here. If you don't have an account, you can also just sign in and create an account and just log in to your account directly. So yeah, let us start with the um, authentication. So yeah, so yeah, so welcome to the Origin platform. This solution is designed to solve the black box problem in global logistics. As we enter the command center, notice the high intensity dashboard. This is not just a UI, it is a real time reflection of a global supply chain. So, at a glance, we are tracking over 1,80,000 records here, providing immediate visibility into active shipments, financial throughput, and most importantly, risk exposure. So, so this is the geographical risk heat map. Let me just show you the heat map here. So, so these red regions are where the risk level is very critical. The yellow where the it is medium and green where the risk level is quite low. So let us go to the shipments tab. So this is the basic dashboard here. You can see the total amount of shipments, the active alerts, and the percentage increase and decrease in that. The escrow amount hold. So when the entire chain is complete, the escrow is released and the average risk index, and you can initiate a shipment here. You can form a new escrow contract, request an audit for some things for verification and all. And these are the alerts. You can directly go to the alerts page from here. So yeah, this is the global activity. So all 1,000 was 180K records are being shown here. So if you click on any uh, shipment as well, you can just check the telemetry feed and the route Excel. We will talk about this. Okay, so let's move to the shipments page. So yeah, this is the shipments page. So now let's explore the spatial intelligence layer here. The geographical risk heat map aggregates real-time signals to highlight the potential disruptions before they even escalate. Drilling into a shipment, notice the flight to animation here. So if we click on shipment, you can see the flight animation over here. To the from the source to the destination address, you can hover over the telemetry over there and check its temperature, humidity, and all. So this is in the shipments tab. So if a shipment exceeds its defined threshold, the system does not passively log the event. It immediately triggers a response. So that's the kind of vision that we are taking into consideration while building this project. Um so yeah, so you can check all the 1,80,000 records here. So at a single page, there are 100 records, around 180, 1,800 pages here, and you can just hover over any shipment and you can just see the live telemetry here. So it is moving from just check another. Yeah. So it is moving from Mexico to east of USA to Hickory. So it's in transit currently. The risk score it is showing here. It's nearly 0%. The category and all is shown here. You can export this page as well. So you can download this one. Yeah. So yeah, I've shown downloaded here. Okay. Because I have already given the permission. Otherwise, it's ask the permission. Download the CSV file. Okay. So this is live heat map of the products that have been shipped. Uh, okay. So now let's go to the brain part of the project, the alerts and the ML insights, uh, upon which the core principle of this project lies. So, uh, so these are different types of detections that our ML model is predicting. So you can just so different types of this includes fraud detection, route deviation, then mismatch of location, and other different kinds of this one. Uh, so you can just uh, open this. Uh, uh, so yeah, this is the project basically. Uh, you can just bulk acknowledge the page, the critical warnings and all. You can just acknowledge if it's acknowledged or ignored. So yeah, this is basically the kind of support which we give to the admin. So the admin will be a trustless party. So it will all be computationally based, based on mathematical principles. So no amount of disparity or impartiality is, partiality is done over the uh, shipments and all. So to talk about this layer, the intelligence layer of the origin, this is driven by machine learning. Within the alerts module, we see proactive anomaly detection in action. Instead of relying on manual reporting, the system autonomously detects irregularities such as route deviations or GPS spoofing. Each alert is permanently recorded in the audit system. So this is based on blockchain layer, right? So these are not simple logs; they are cryptographically signed events. This enables us to create a tamper-proof chain of custody and condition, which is critical for regulatory compliance and insurance validation. So these are some of the other pages which we can. So this is the where the funding and settlements happen. All the amount of value that is hold. You can just view the details. So this is a contract name, the party which hold it is holding the value of the amount, the status if it is held or not, and the risk score and all. So based on that, you can settle the contract, raise dispute, or release. So I am releasing the fund, so it's showing release. You can uh, uh, so yeah, this is about the. So you can just raise dispute here. So uh, David had three transactions. It was showing three transactions at a time. So yeah, this is basically uh, taken care from a trustless point of view. So everything will be cryptographically secure. That's the vision for this project. Okay, so these are some of the other pages where audits. Uh, you can just check on the audits. What this will be helpful for the auditors because it's messy currently. The procedure how the auditors are doing the past records have been uh, lost and auditors are not able to verify it properly. So it's as if the shipment is registered, then it cannot be changed. It is immutable, right? So yeah, you can use the details. You can export the CSV file. You can request for an audit. So yeah, you can just say the CSV is also downloaded. Okay, so let me talk about some of the technical infrastructure. Let us dive into the engineering part here. So behind this interface is a robust cloud native architecture. So Origin, our project, is built using distributed microservices, which is deployed on AWS EKS. To handle large scale data ingestion, we use Apache Kafka for real time event streaming and Timescale DB for efficient time series analysis. Our escrow and crypto services extend functionally beyond logistics into financial automation as well. Payments are secured in escrow and released only when delivery conditions are verified by the system, eliminating the manual intermediaries and increasing the trust in this platform. So that's the vision which we came up with. So so let's move it to the other pages. So this is basically the admin dashboard for customer and other different types of customers. We have separate dashboards. So let us move it to analytics page where all the data has been analyzed and given in this format. So we are giving the top product categories. Then heat map is so the shipments, how which areas, how many shipments. So this is 1,80,000 records uh, distributed over 23 active regions. So yeah, these are the areas. You see from all the way from India, Australia to Africa, everything has been taken care of. So these are the top product categories and the shipment status distribution. How much of them is delayed, how much is in transit, how much is delivered, and how much is cancelled and all. So you can export this data as well. This is the ML feature analysis, so detection of mismatch, then road deviation score, temperature scalability, fraud detection rate, compliance score. These are various metrics upon which we analyze our the shipments and give a score. So yeah, so the reports as well. You can get a proper executive report according to each performance and the summaries. For supply chain summary, we can generate a report, compliance and audit report, financial and reconciliation. So different types of reports can be generated, IoT, sensor health. So yeah, so finally we examine the long-term impact. The analytics engine enables organizations to move towards zero waste logistics by optimizing the routing and detecting environmental anomalies early. Origin significantly reduces carbon footprint and cargo loss. Looking ahead, our roadmap includes integration with maritime weather APIs for predictive rerouting and enhanced risk forecasting. Origin represents a shift towards transparent, automated, and ethical global trade. We are not just improving supply chains, we are redefining how they operate. So that's about my project. Thank you.